What's up, guys? We're gonna watch a Calcio Storico Fiorentino match. And so how this match goes is that instead of trying to kick the ball, they fight until one side scores a goal, and it's a 50-minute match. So this is fought in Italy, fought in Italy, whatever. And it's 4 districts. The people in white are from Santo Spiritu. The people in blue, the one he's grappling with, is from Santo Croce, I believe. And then there's also some people in green. They're from San Giovanni. And then there's Santa Maria Novella. Those are the people in red. And basically, you can do anything except multi-person on one. So you can grapple, you can fight, but you cannot gang up on anyone. And also, if someone's on the ground, you can't hit them if they're grappling with someone. So basically, no punches to the back of the head, no sucker punching, and no multiple person or multiple person team. And then instead of tackling or any sort of takedown, you just fight until whoever gets eliminated. Basically, if you get knocked out, you get eliminated from your team, and there's no replacements. So one strategy would just be to have better fighters and knock out the people from the team, and then it'll be easier for you to score the goal. See, he has the ball. The other strategy, of course, would just be to be really fast and run the ball to the other side. There's a net on both sides of the team where they can score the goal. So this is basically football on crack, or this is actually descended from a Roman game. I forgot what the Roman game's called, but as in Roman legionnaires, ancient Roman games. So this is the most violent thing you ever see. Those of you who've seen my TFC commentary, Calcio Storico Fiorentino is even worse, is even crazier. So there's an umpire that calls fouls and stuff like that. And each team has a team captain. So as you can tell, ooh, that guy got knocked to the ground. I think he's out. Team on the right just lost a player. And again, they're not replaced. So this is the most barbaric sport you'll see. And of course, it's in Italy, man. Italians are awesome and crazy and everything. And this was held in 2014, this match. Azzurri's one of the team versus Bianchi. Oh, it's an all-out brawl. Great kick. And oh, he punched him in the... Okay, no punch to the backs of the head, I see. So he punched him... He sucker punched, but not from the back of the head. Interesting. Man. So, let's see these runners. Let's see what they do. So what we have here is... I'm trying to find the breakdown. So there's 27 players total. And again, if you lose your player, you are if your team is fucked. So it looks like umpires or whoever are breaking up this brawl. This is getting pretty serious. Look at that. That guy's got his back. They're kind of stuck in stalemate right now. And basically, most teams have 2 to 4 goalkeepers, and then 3 defenders and 5 midfielders, and then 15 forwards. The people you see fighting are forwards. So these are the... And then, of course, you would have, I guess the goalkeepers are the ones you see without the shirts in the back. And then the midfielders, I guess maybe they kind of serve as kind of replacements if any person in the forward gets knocked down. And it's very interesting. This is, imagine if football were like this. Okay, that person is out. They've carried him out. So that team, I guess that's the team on the left, that team has lost a player. And look at there, right on the bottom right, they carrying a player out too. So both teams have lost at least 1 point. Oh, look at that takedown. All right. So, wow, this is brutal. This is beyond TFC level brutal. I mean, TFC, you got the multi-person on one thing, but... All right. I think that was the umpire or something, telling them to break up that brawl. So, they've all wrapped their wrists. You see it's bare knuckle, by the way. This is bare knuckle fighting, man. This is crazy. Wow. And so, there's a captain on each team called the Alfiere. And I wonder who the captain is. Let's try to identify the captain. So Azzurri, one of the teams that's competing in this match is from Santa Croce. Let's see where Santa Croce is. Santa Croce, Italy. Santa Croce, Italy. Look at that. They're in a clinch. Oh, he's going to suplex him? Look like they're going to, okay, they're in a clinch now. Look at this match. It's gone closer. Ooh, props to the black guy. So this match has gone to the... Okay, he's going to run the ball. Can you do it? Can you do it? Santa Croce is in Florence. That makes sense. So it's a district in Florence. That's all I know. Santa Croce is a district in Florence. And then they're fighting Bianchi. Let's see where Bianchi is. Ooh, that was a great punch. Bianchi, Florence. Let's see where Bianchi is. Okay, that person's pretty much done. No attempts at bridging or anything. So, Cicli Sergio Bianchi, maybe. Anyways. Imagine if they allowed multi-person attacks, man. Like, they would not be going to the ground as easily. Little jabs at each other. They're all pretty controlled fighters. You don't see any TFC where they are just charging into each other. Like, they're in it for the long game. And blue guy. So, let's see where this is from. And then, oh, that's gone to the ground. Oh, interesting. Can you knee someone? I wonder if you can knee someone to the head. I'm really curious about that. But for those of you who wondered if there's anything like TFC, I guess that's the answer to your question. There is something like TFC. And this field is twice as long as it is wide. So, all right. They haven't ran the ball yet. Very interesting. I guess these people are just waiting. It's too risky to try to charge now. So, oh, that guy is. Oh my God. He's like, what the fuck? What the fuck, man? Oh, takedown, takedown, takedown. Oh, why'd you cut? You dumbass. Cameraman. Okay, so, one thing I want to notice is they keep breaking the 180 line. For those of you who study film, we're oriented by left and right? So there's a team on the left and a team on the right. The camera keeps cutting opposite, so suddenly the team on the left that we're used to is now on the right. I'll point out next time we see a 180 break, but it's a filmmaking thing, and I studied a little bit of film back in college, so that was a technical thing I wanted to bring up. And that's very bad for the eyes, because suddenly you're like, wait, which team am I looking at again? Especially for people like us who probably aren't Italian, we haven't seen this Calcio Storico Fiorentino. By the way, I speak a little Spanish, so I don't know Italian. I'm BSing all these pronunciations. So if anyone Italian sees this, I apologize for butchering your language. And wow, look at that tattoo. I don't know if it's a tattoo. Maybe it's like a medieval costume. And there's 3 fights, or there's 5 fights on the ground right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 fights on the ground. That guy's got his hands down. Not good. So, I like how they're gauging distance. Good little attempted sweep. And, of course, those are the umpires or whatever. I wonder why no one's trying to... Oh, that fight almost became a brawl. Again, you can only fight one-on-one, right? That's why they keep breaking it up whenever it gets heated. I wonder if someone can get thrown out if they keep doing 2-on-1 attacks or something. This guy's much more bulky. I like the loose pants they wear. You don't know how big their quads and calves are, so they could be hiding massive muscles under there. So, that fight's on the ground. So here's the question, though. If they don't allow 2-on-1 attacks, and then the other team has fewer people, what do the other guys do that, let's say, they don't have anyone to fight now? Can they now run the ball? So, or maybe they can switch off, right? Your friend besides you's fighting the guy. You're like, okay, let me fight him for a while. I guess that's some strategy. Oh, good kick right there by the guy in blue. They haven't broken the 180 line yet, so I can't really show you what I was talking about earlier, but I will point it out the moment. They all have shaved heads, most of them. And I just shake my head too. You see it's 0-0, and we're only 10 minutes into this 40-minute match. So, or 50-minute match. There's still 40 minutes left. So, for those of you who grab some popcorn, oh, he took him down. Great! That was amazing. The guy wasn't looking, man. Even though you can't have 2-on-1 attacks, you still have to be mindful, right? You have to be situationally aware. That was a great takedown. Oh, did you see that throw? And he got reversed. Attempted guillotine, maybe? Attempted guillotine. I don't know if we're going to see a Von Flue choke. But, oh, man. So now that's a 180-degree break. You see that? Now the team that was I'll point it out again if we see it again. Oh, great. Basically, think of it like a 180 line going across the field, and all the cameras that show from this angle are good because it's staying on this line. Like, this is bad, you see? It crossed the line. So now it's really disorienting because before... Anyways, it doesn't matter. I don't want to bore you with filmmaking techniques. Clinches with the takedown. There's nothing here. I'm not reading anything about rules about eye hits. I wonder if you can eye hit, eye poke, or eye gouge or anything. Sorry, shouldn't be copying people's language. Anyways, so there's still 2 fights on the ground, and apparently in 1977 a player had his ear bitten off, and you can headbutt. Oh, they're running the ball. Oh no, it got stopped. Okay, that did not work. So you can choke too. Basically everything. You just can't sucker punch from the back, that is. We saw some sucker punching from the side, but so apparently there are MMA fighters that fight on various teams. So wow, that guy's bleeding from the eye. Italian is such a musical language. It sounds so cool. Prima, does that mean first? I don't know. I wish I knew Italian. Yeah, I definitely saw some eye attacks right there. And maybe... Is it break time? Or why are the opponents hugging each other? I don't know. Oh, that guy, man. He's going to need to get that checked out. So, testing the distance. They're all very good at that. I'm very impressed at how controlled these fights are. There's some team strategy going on. Nobody's being too aggressive. They're shuffling back and forth. Very good. I guess those are some of the umpires. That fight went to the ground. And, wow, that fight's getting violent. Why Florence? I wonder why this game never died in Florence. Oh, Harpastum. Harpastum was the Roman game that was the ancestor of this. And so I guess this is kind of this game. Calcio Storico is the grandfather or the ancestor of rugby and football and all that. But Harpastum is like the great grandfather of rugby and football and all this. And we don't know much about the rules of Harpastum, so we can only guess by how Calcio Storico is played. But I assume it's probably very violent too. And clinches or whizzers. And I get this feeling the team on the right has fewer players now, fewer forwarders. That's why there's so many people on the left side just kind of standing around maybe. Are you going to guillotine? Guillotine? Oh, he tapped! He just tapped, man. What the fuck? Dude, that guy, did you see that? He tapped. Why didn't they? Okay, that was weird. Okay, so there's 35 more minutes, so you literally can wait. If your team has an advantage, you just wait for them to fight it out. That big guy, man, he's a force to be reckoned with. Oh, takedown attempt. These people who are filming obviously don't know how to film fights, because every time we see something interesting, guillotine. They instead cut away. Guillotine attempt. Von Flew choke him. Come on. Okay, that's hard now because the guy pulled guard. That big fat guy. Again, they broke the 180 line. Von Flew choke. Come on. Protection. Oh, they got back up. Oh, so this is it. This is the square in Florence where it happens. I don't see any knees being thrown. Oh, they're shirt pulling. Oh, look at that. He's on the ground controlling the distance. So we see shirt pulling, but we don't see anyone knee. Like, I haven't seen one knee being thrown. And I haven't seen an elbow either. No, like, 12 to 6 elbows. Maybe that's not allowed? Let's look at this.
Il calcio fiorentino è bello proprio perché è sempre imprevedibile. Te non sai mai quale tipo di schema il calciante che porta palla vuole portare avanti. Magari ne parla con quelli più vicini a lui e gli chiede magari di aprire un varco da una parte o dall'altra. L'altra cosa che dicevi prima te all'inizio partita.
A guy has gone into a coma before from being punched in the head. Some guy's scalp was cut open before. And
non è assolutamente cosa semplice. Qui si stanno fronteggiando, dico a beneficio dei nostri telespettatori, le due squadre più forti. È come se Real Madrid
I think the team on the left's gonna win. I just get this feeling. I wonder how they decided who has the ball first. Maybe it's a coin toss.
Non vogliono lasciare spazio all'avversario e non vogliono assolutamente scoprirsi per far passare.
Oh, that was an attempted takedown that got sprawled.
C'è un momento di attesa, il momento di attesa è
perché
gli occhi vogliono tenere il pallone.
Tener, I bet, is the same as Spanish. Okay, so the white, they're from the southwest part of the city. So this is southwest Florence. Trying to figure out where the blue's from. That guy got knocked to the ground. It's almost like this is as gang brawl as you can get. They're clinched up. This fight is gone to the. It's almost like to the side of the cage, right? Kind of like that. Trying to trip, and I just saw some hair pulling. That was definitely hair pulling. Ooh, little side kick. Bruce Lee would do really well in this type of tournament because you try to bridge, but you can't really bridge when someone has you on side control. Doesn't matter how big or small the person is, bridging's not going to work. All right.
La caccia è proprio il concetto di cacciare qualcosa dentro qualcos'altro. Non cacciare nel senso della caccia col fucile, ma cacciare qualcosa dentro qualcosa. Quindi cacciare la palla dentro la rete è da qui che viene il termine di caccia.
So this is a replay. Ow! That guy got socked in the chin.
Sinistro destro
I wonder if they're going to take him away or let him recover. I wonder if any of these people joined the army or have been in the army. Oh, that guy, is he trying to do a triangle choke? He still has the ball, man. And he's not giving it to any of his... He's a ball hogger. Oh, never mind. I spoke too early. This is freaking ridiculous, dude. Alright, so... I was just popping a pimple that hurt. Don't pop your pimples, people. I'm an idiot. Anyways, getting back to the game. Oh, see? He went over to fight someone else. Use a strategy right here. Man, it takes a lot of discipline to not stomp on someone when they're on the ground. I give these people props, man. Oh, he's gonna run it, he's gonna run it. Oh, he's gonna, oh, but they stopped him. I see, they're getting more aggressive now. Oh, we're gonna see more of the football rugby type of stuff here now. Oh, this is so cool. So if you don't like the MMA aspects of this, here's the rugby part of it. Oh my God. Look at that, and all of the fighters are now being aware. They're like, we got to protect our ball handler, and the other team's like, we got to beat him down. Oh, I want to see more of that rugby stuff.
Allora, aggiornamenti sul calciante su Marino Vieri, presumo da parte di Gabriele Lacchi. Gabriele.
Sì, Luigi, allora il calciante L'Aquila che è uscita dai bianchi, Marino Vieri, è stato trasportato all'ospedale.
So, this stadium sits about 4,000, more than 4,000, so there's crowds. Imagine 4,000 people cheering you on. That's pretty awesome.
Marino Vieri che ha lasciato il campo, però i suoi, i bianchi, il Santo Spirito, stanno tenendo bene il campo e stanno cercando di trovare uno spazio per poter arrivare a segnare.
Oh, that was a pretty good punch right there.
Ma è arrivato il momento, secondo me da ora in poi si cominceranno a vedere dei movimenti importanti.
I wonder if you could do pretend one person has the ball, try to like put it in one fat guy's belly so it looks like it's just his belly and you just like sneak across.
Di solito la metà del tempo è quello più importante. Lì poi si vede quanto una persona, quanto una squadra è allenata. Ora ancora si stanno
That guy does not even have his hands up, taunting him.
quella linea, no? Perché la linea a metà campo comunque sia
So apparently in 1930 was when they started playing this again. They hadn't played this for hundreds of years, and then it just came back again. So, and apparently it used to be like a rich man's game. So rich people would just watch each other fight. Poor people, I guess, were too busy farming and starving to have time to fight each other. So I'm getting my sources. I'm just reading online while we're watching. I'm looking at The Guardian. New York Times has a pretty cool article. The Sun has a cool article. There's also another article. Maybe I'll link this in the bottom. There's another article from where was it that I read it? Oh, there's a Daily Mail one. I'm gonna look at an ESPN one. No, this bad. Oh, they're running it. They're running it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh. In a way, it's kind of like soccer. In soccer, it's like every time they're about to score, everyone gets excited, and mostly it's a letdown. Great. Wow, he suplexed him. In 2007, you see how we saw some times when brawls were about to break out. Well, apparently in 2007 there actually became a 50-player brawl. So basically, all of them who were still on the field got into a big fight. And then the city banned this for a year, and then it set up a rule that said no convicted criminals could take part in this. I mean, I thought that would be a given, but I guess before, anyone could take part in this. So now, when we're watching this in 2014, none of these people in here, rest assured, are convicted criminals. Oh, sorry, guys. I actually scrolled down. So, alright. Facci means easy, I know that. Oh, are they going to get it? Are they going to get it? Are they going to get it? Come on, score a goal, score a goal. Oh! Yes! Oh! Oh my God! Get in the net, get in the net! Yes! Oh, nice. So basically, I think every time they score, yeah, they reset and then they switch sides. So now the white team, the Santo Spiritu or whatever, they're gonna go to that side. So here's a replay. Watch that. Oh yeah. So basically, the whole end zone is a net. Oh, good job, guys. Good job. See, I predicted the team on the left would win, right? Why they put? Man, I don't understand. You know, they're breaking the 180 line and everything. So la bandiera. Interesting. In the 1930s, the reason why it got revived was because Benito Mussolini, the fascist dictator, decided to bring this back because he wanted to glorify Italy's past. Now that is interesting. You see the team that just scored has switched to the right side. So now the team on the right side that was on the left before, they're in the lead, and I think they're going to take this. We're about halfway through the game, a little bit more. So at first I thought their pants were sagging, but no, it's like, I don't know what that is. Alright, so while this keeps going on, I'm going to read up more information and we'll learn more about this game. It's crazy. Imagine if TFC, Team Fighting Championship, had a 27 versus 27 player or 27 versus 27 player match. So 27 versus 27 fight. That would be ridiculous. I wish I was watching this with someone. You get to play off each other. I'm just talking to myself. I mean, you guys will hear me, but all right. So I'm reading a National Geographic article. Nothing. If I understood Italian, I could probably get a lot more information. I wonder if any other cities do this. So far, it looks like it's just that. I haven't seen any arm bars or any submissions yet. Oh, well, we've been seeing attempted guillotines, of course, but nothing else.
Quelli di Santa Croce, evidente, di casa, i tifosi di Santa Croce sono qui, quindi non è che debbano fare tanta strada. Mentre da tirare tardi bisogna vedere di nuotare, giusto?
That guy went to the ground.
Allora, 1-0, una caccia a 0 per i...
I wonder if teams can call timeout. That was a great takedown we just saw. Can you take a timeout, or do you have to play the whole way through? Kind of like in soccer. In soccer, right, they just play the whole way through and then they have a midpoint. But it looks like, see, when at the 25-minute point, they didn't have a break. So it's 50 minutes of fighting. That guy is old. No, never mind. He's not old. No, he is old. Oh, he is old as fuck, man. Oh, that guy got completely sweeped. Oh, he's like, fuck, let my teammates fight.
buccia a mani alte riescono a reggere la punta. 50 minuti è veramente roba per poco.
Di Giulio volevo sapere chi ha preso il posto, il punto.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Next time I'm gonna watch this with my Italian friend. Maybe I'll get one of my Italian friends to watch this. Maybe Giorgio. Giorgio, I'm gonna tag you in this.
Di Giulio, andiamo avanti. Chi è il webbista che prende il posto di Piombino in questa squadra?
Intanto come coordinatore assolutamente Salvatore Serra.
Lots of side control. We've seen a lot of side control. And also realize, I don't know if they have any weight requirements, but I've been seeing many fights where one person's a big guy and the other's not as big a behemoth? I don't know what the word I'm looking for. Oh, looks like that guy's hurt, man. He's... No, what happened? Because the cameraman... Was that a knee? Did we just see a knee?
Un altro giocatore si deve sapere tutti come comportarsi quando hai il pallone, perché il pallone brucia in mano, lo devi saper portare, perché far sì,
Non ho capito però qual è...
che vinca o perda.
Ma avete dei rebisti in squadra quest'anno?
Sì, ci sono dei ragazzi nuovi, però che vengono dal CUS, grande.
Allora è uscito
Oh, they're talking to each other.
parte Bianca che era stato ancora non è uscito. Ah, ecco, non sta uscendo in questo momento. Guarda.
Sì, c'è una protesta.
Man, the team in white is just in possession of the ball and everything. They're just... They are definitely the ones running this game. I mean, they... Oh! He tried to get the ball!
Se c'è la possibilità di rivederla.
Oh, wow.
Però mi fa piacere che invece adesso è uscito, guarda, sta dando
I see. I guess someone else realized what I was saying. It's like, why'd you let your opponent keep having the ball? Good head kick we just saw there. He's trying to do some Bruce Lee, like, look at this. He's like trying to distract. Oh, teep to the face. Side kick. He got taken down by someone else. Wow. Good thing it's sand that they're playing on, man. Takedowns could really fuck someone over. I've fallen pretty badly on sand before. Oh, he got.
Assolutamente semplice, mentre c'è un calciatore di parte bianca che si avventura nella parte.
I wonder, I'm just thinking, what if you pull down someone's pants? I wonder if that's legal. Pull down their pants so they fall or they get embarrassed.
Una caccia di vantaggio non è che si può stare particolarmente tranquillo.
If any of you have taken part in this, please, I would love to interview you.
Però ora stanno leggermente arretrando i bianchi.
Bianchi. Oh, that's the team in white. Bianchi. All right. So we're about 3/5 done with this match. I wonder if by the 40th minute mark they start going crazy because there's only 10 minutes to play and you better win. What kind of camera? Did you see that camera? That camera just randomly... That camera had a mind of its own. They should hire me and my friends to do camera. We'll do it better. Or hire the TFC people. The TFC people do it better. Hey, mancano. This guy's still there. We saw him from the beginning.
Stiamo cercando di riuscire a
He's
spingere,
shitty.
a cercare il pallone.
Tutto può cambiare ancora in
Cambiare, that means change. Hey, I'm picking up a few words. Enorme. I mean, that's, you know, that's a cognative for enormous. So big, probably.
Ci possono essere tantissime soluzioni.
Solution.
Hanno preso un po' di campo, sicuramente stanno tentando.
We're all, English is partly a Romance language. Oh, that guy failed. Try to get the ball.
Di solito attacca naturalmente.
English is about, it has words from German, it has words from Latin, aka Romance language, and it has words from Greek. So, and there are maybe a few French words borrowed into English. So English is a mutt language, but the root of English is still has a lot of Latin in it. So the Romance languages are French, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Romanian, and Portuguese. No, I said Portuguese already, but those are the Romance languages. And I'm missing a country, I know. No, I said it all. Italian, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Romanian, and I guess Catalan is kind of, but would you call Catalan part of Spanish? I don't know. Someone's gonna kill me for asking that question. I know there's a big people in Catalan wanna become independent from Spain, I believe. So, but it's interesting that Romanian's a Romance language because they were in the Eastern Bloc during the Cold War, so you associate them with Slavic people, right? You associate Romanian as a Slavic language potentially, but Romanian's actually a great takedown. Oh, good kick. Oh, he gets back up. That guy is defending against a rear naked choke on the left. Wow, hair pulling. We do see hair pulling. Oh, he's gonna. Are you gonna? Oh, I thought he was gonna go for some sort of leg submission. By the way, if you guys want, since this is the first video like this we've watched, I'll have my friend Rob over, and me and him will watch the Kazushi Sakuraba versus Royce Gracie, the first one where they fought for 3 hours. Since I realize it's actually pretty fun to watch this with you guys. I haven't seen this, by the way, this game. So it's really fun to watch this for the first time with you guys. So imagine if we watched I've never watched the Kazushi Sakuraba versus Royce Gracie first round in complete. It's hard to watch 3 hours of it when you don't have someone who can tell you more about what's going on. So maybe Rob and I will do that. Interesting. They're like, okay, let's take a break. I see. So it's the breaks are more kind of gentlemanly agreements. Like, okay, let's just take a break, man. Oh, that guy is the Roy Nelson of their team. He's got a cut in the eye too. Wow, he looks completely dazed. Takedown. Pushed him off. Oh, nah, that was an attempted 2-on-1. Good thing they stopped that. Oh, 2-on-1, 2-on-1. What the fuck are you guys doing? That was a 2-on-1. Yeah, call the foul. That was retarded. Get him! Triple, good job! Oh! Oh, ho, ho. Okay, let's see what happens now. They took down the goalkeeper. Whatever. Oh, so they tossed the ball up. Interesting. Okay, so whenever there's an attempted run, he just got the ball. Okay, so I guess the umpire's gonna toss the ball up again. Look at that. You'll see a sweep right there. Sweep, tripped, and oh, he got destroyed. Yep, they toss the ball up. I get it. Every time a team loses possession of the ball, they get it. Okay, this is comeback time for the team that's trailing. Wow, okay, all right. I think we got all the rules now. Basically, you try to score a goal on the other side. If your ball handler gets taken down or knocked out, the umpire throws the ball up and it's a free-for-all. And then the fighting just, happens and, yeah. Okay, we understand the game now. Oh, I'm going to be watching these every week. Let's watch one of these. This is so cool. So, is he running? Why? Okay, all right. They just got the ball back. That was really dumb. I mean, you still have about 12 minutes. You don't have to. You just have possession. Like, let your team establish its rhythm first before you. I played volleyball. I used to play volleyball for a team in high school, and there's work as a team, man. I used to set sometimes, and I would like try to do too much. I was an idiot. I was kind of like that guy, and my team would get mad at me. Jerry, pass the fucking ball. They'd always say. I try to whatever. It doesn't matter. We're not talking volleyball, but mano a mano. I guess that's person on person, maybe. Mano a mano. Very interesting. This is not the most interesting fight, man. Show some of the fights on the ground.
originariamente Firenze aveva il giglio bianco in campo rosso quando era Ghibellina. Poi quando vince
Era
il
Medina.
Sono anche i due colori, il bianco e il rosso, sono anche i due colori da cui deriva la Fiorentina. Non tanto
Valentina.
famoso, che non è assolutamente vero,
No, ma i
perché
due club che poi
esatto,
si fusero nel
Veritas e il
1926.
club sportivo, che erano le due squadre, più sezioni calcio, furono messe insieme e nacque appunto la
So storico means historical, so that makes sense. So calcio, I don't know what calcio means. I assume it means football.
Ah, sì, per le ormai. Vabbè, però era un rosa violaceo e è venuto fuori
Purtroppo perdiamo, scusami se
Oh, he just dodged out of that tackle.
calciante storico, Marzio Moscarelli, perdiamo perché è stato espulso. Sinceramente l'ho sentito chiamare ora, ho visto prima sotto la curva azzurra, c'è stato un po' di
credo sia la
parapiglia,
cosa più
sinceramente.
difficile, Alessandro, perché
So,
espellere un giocatore e accertarsi e si uscire dal campo è la cosa più difficile in assoluto.
Questo
O
dovrebbero
Marco a
pensarci,
prenderlo,
dovrebbero
se no-
pensarci anche gli arbitri che dopo un certo periodo di tempo che è in campo, se non è uscito, lo dovrebbero accompagnare. Sempre naturalmente se si fa accompagnare.
oh, actually, that makes sense why the Azzurri is in blue. Oh, these are colors. I'm getting it now. Azul, right, in Spanish means blue. So Azzurri, that makes sense. Azzurri is blue in Italian. Oh, I'm getting it now. So when it says Azzurri versus Bianchi, Bianchi Blanca is white in Spanish. So Bianchi is kind of is the Italian version of white. Interesting. That makes sense now. So Verdi, right? Verde is green in Spanish. So Verdi is Italian for green, and then Rossi, like rojo, is red in Spanish. So Rossi is red in Italian. That makes sense now. Now I understand why they call these teams that. Just in case you don't know that Azzurri, so the blue is Santa Croce. Oh, he got tripped. Okay, they're gonna toss the ball up again. Azzurri. This is cool. All right, let's look at the Latin root for this. Latin for blue.
L'arbitro sta lanciando la palla, questo è un momento molto pericoloso perché se prendono palla di Azzurri, ecco, poi portata un po' indietro, un po' difficoltoso recuperano la palla.
Partite vincere 2 minuti prima della fine. Comunque volevo
Ecco il Serra che prende palla e prova a spingersi in avanti, invita i compagni a creare spazi.
Okay, so vulgar Latin. So vulgar Latin was spoken more by the common folks. Vulgar Latin is blancus, maybe. That's the word for white. Blancus. So by the time it became Italian, it became Bianchi.
Rimane proprio quello.
Intanto Serra cerca lo spazio, forse c'è attenzione.
Forse c'è qua laterale.
Sorry, I'm a nerd when it comes to linguistics. So whenever old guy's running it, old guy in Azzurri is fuck! Oh, he got taken down. The Bianchi team, the white team, took him down. That was a valorous attempt. Yeah, valorous.
qui c'è la battuta.
6 minuti e 30, attenzione, chi conquista palla adesso potrebbe essere fondamentale.
Oh! He got it in! Whoa! Oh, we gotta see a replay of that. That was pretty crazy. I see the team rooting for the blue. So you can hit it in too. Interesting. You don't have, you can throw it in, you can hit it in. I guess you could kick it in if you really tried. Which makes me wonder, why don't teams try to just kick it in? That was the worst replay ever. Yeah, this angle's better. Oh, before the ball hit the ground, he hit it. Wow, that was pretty good. That was pretty cool. Why don't teams just try, hire someone who's got a great throw? No, that's too far. But hire someone that has a good kick and then kick it in or something. Yeah, let's play that again. 180-degree break, but this is okay. Bam. 1-on-1. What happens if they're tied? Do they have a sudden death match, or do they come back to fight another day? It's 44 minutes, right? So I don't think the teams are going to score another point unless one team just loses focus. Okay, I'm actually going to look this up right now.
minuti, tutto naturalmente può succedere. Finito il tempo, praticamente c'è il gol del gol, se lo vuoi chiamare con il football, a me piace chiamarlo
Gol de caccia?
chiamiamola caccia d'oro. Chiamiamola caccia d'oro.
La caccia d'oro. Quindi, siccome mancano 5 minuti, neanche 4 minuti e 50 secondi, in questo caso la probabilità è che si vada appunto
I don't see anything.
alla caccia d'oro, cioè
Trying to run the ball. They are getting more aggressive these last 5 minutes.
In questo momento c'è la palla in mano ancora agli azzurri che portano palla.
Vediamo un po'.
Sono un po' stanchi, li vedo stanchi.
Entrambe le squadre hanno fatto molto, direi in maniera corretta. Mi spiace sicuramente per Marino Vieri, che ricordiamo.
Okay, I think they're gonna make one more attempt at this. Let's see what happens. I want to see some jump kicks or something like that. Imagine you take a guy out with a jump kick while he's trying to run the ball. Cattiveria. So June 24th is when they have the final every year because that's the festival of St. John. So every year the 24th is the final match. So what we should do is we should watch a final match next time. Oh, it's not Festival of St. John, it's Feast of St. John. Sorry, guys. Oh, he's stepped on him. So Feast of St. John is celebrated in Florence and Genoa and Turin. And it's June 24th every year. La Festa di San Giovanni. Or San Giovanni. There's usually a parade and then fireworks over the Arno River, and then they're eating gelato. And then in Turin and Genoa or Genova, they celebrate this holiday for 2 days. So there's parades, music, and that's quite cool. You have this great holiday. Cities are popping, and then if you don't think that's enough, you can watch a final match of this. It's crazy. I want to go to Italy now. I want to watch this. What if I watch this live? Do a live fight commentary. Wow. These two are going at it. And I saw some... Those were... No, he's not going to make it. Okay, so umpire's going to throw it. Grandma style. Oh, see, you can't kick the ball. 3 more minutes or 2 more minutes. Can you score? Can you score? Yeah, come on. Stop playing a replay. We want to see the game. Just play 2 minutes. We can replay it later. Oh my God, this is so cool. So St. John is the Florence's patron saint. That makes sense. That's why they play the final on this. Since it's a game held in Florence, they'll play it on St. John's birthday. St. John was beheaded in 30 AD because he was Christian. Very interesting. Oh, good! Oh my God! Oh no! Oh my God! That was a power play. Wow. Okay, Team White has won this match unless we can have a miracle. Oh my God! That was a great play right there. Makes sense. You let your players fight it out until a few get eliminated, and then you have enough room for these guys to make these cool rugby-esque plays. He took a kick to the stomach, though. Look at that. So he goes in. That guy goes, and watch this. He takes a kick, but that guy didn't commit to the kick. And I guess they got possession of the ball after the toss. Okay, yeah. Team White's won. Bianchi's won.
i bianchi di
Wow, okay. Yeah, guys, this was our first Calcio Storico match that we just watched. Historical Italian football. Wow. Oh, shit. This is the square where it takes place on. We just watched something so absolutely crazy. Wow, we're going to watch more of these, man. Lots of great lessons from these. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments. Send me stuff that you want us to watch. All right, guys. Talk to you guys next time. This was Calcio Storico, and you were on Fight Commentary Breakdown. Italians for the win, guys. Bye-bye.